What's up, everybody? It's the Connect 860 back with another review. Today we got a pickup coming from StockX, and I just want to break down the details real quick. I made the purchase on 5/10/18 for $225. The seller shipped it out on 5/12. It arrived at StockX on 5/15. They shipped it out on 5/16, and then it arrived at my location at 5/19. They shipped it via UPS. So I purchased it on 5/10 and it arrived on 5/19. The seller shipped it out on 5/12/18. It arrived at StockX on 5/15. They shipped it out on 5/16. It arrived to my house on 5/19. All right, let's get to the review. Come box nice, and then inside you got your typical Jordan box. Inside you got your paperwork. You got your usual StockX sticker, StockX card, post it on Instagram if you like. And inside you got the Jordan 3 KATRINA, which verifies StockX authentic chip. Let's get to the breakdown.
For the jeans, play the grip 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 for the jeans. Plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean. Play the grip for the jeans. Play the grip for the jeans. Plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is clean, plus the slippers is